Mother Ganga is a goddess who flows forth from the Himalayas and has taken the form of a river in order to bring life to the arid valley and liberation to humankind. Ganga is the lifeline of India. On June 16, 2013, unseasonably heavy rains combined with cloudbursts and melting glaciers in Uttarakhand's high Himalayas caused the sacred river and her tributaries to overflow. Flash floods, avalanches, and mudslides followed. Lives, roads, homes, towns, and villages were destroyed. One after the other, buildings and lives collapsed into the rushing waters. Others were crushed by landslides, falling rocks, earth, and debris. Many thousands lost their lives. Many more thousands lost their loved ones, their homes, their villages, and their hope. The rains continue. So does the suffering of the affected villagers. From day one, Project Hope, founded, led, guided, and inspired by Pujya Swami Chidanand Saraswatiji, has been on the scene. First, bringing emergency, immediate rescue and relief to stranded pilgrims and villagers, and now bringing long-term rehabilitation and reconstruction to the surviving villagers. Walking together, serving together. Under Pujya Swamiji's leadership, the volunteers of Project Hope won't rest until lives are protected, restored, and rebuilt. With no place to go, families are living wherever they can, praying they will make it through the rainy season. Project Hope is providing the facilities they need in order to survive. Once the incessant rains cease, permanent reconstruction and rehabilitation will begin with a new, eco-friendly vision for Uttarakhand. All buildings will be green, sustainable, flood and earthquake resistant, protecting lives and the environment. Project Hope will also be providing homes for orphans and for widows. The rainy season continues. There is much work to be done. Together, we can restore lives. Together, we can bring hope.